How to approve payment on Royal Bank of Scotland app. The Royal Bank of Scotland, RBS, is a leading UK bank that provides retail and commercial services, including bank accounts, mortgages, loans, and savings, to individuals and small to medium-sized businesses. First, download the Royal Bank of Scotland application from Google Play Store or App Store. When you're buying something online, you may be asked to approve the transaction in your app. If you have app notifications enabled, a message will pop up on your phone asking you to approve the transaction. If you don't have app notifications enabled, open your app by tapping the RBS logo. Log into your app using your Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Tap Approve a transaction. You'll see the transaction amount and shop name in your approval requests. To confirm that it's really you, you'll need to use Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode again. You can approve it by tapping Approve. That's it. Thanks for watching.